This is the playground at the Waterfront Park in Louisville. I was trying to get to the walking bridge and take a look, but I can't get to it. I'm going to have to turn around and go back over the 2nd Street Bridge. And then I'm going to walk over the walking bridge because you can still get to the walking bridge where I live. And check out and see how far I can go. Look at this, y'all. Look at them slides and playground stuff all underwater. I didn't think the water would ever get that high. Well, that's the water. Well, no, yeah, there's a river. The river came up into that. This is crazy, y'all.